If you want to change your own images into 3D models like this one, then let's get started. The tool we shall be using today is Stylar AI. Just go to this URL stylar.ai, click on login or start for free. You can continue with your Google ID or you can create your account using an email ID. Let us get over with the pricing page. There is a free tier. There are 3 paid tiers with both annual and monthly payment options. And there is a team tier that is custom offer for large corporations or companies. For the time being, we shall be okay with the free tier. Once you log in, you shall be welcomed with this page. Click on new project. There are several options for the canvas size. You can select anyone or create a custom canvas. Now we shall be importing some images to try out. This was an image I created in Midjourney long time ago. Select image to image. From the style window, for example, hyperbolic portraiture, Qt 3D, psychedelic illustration, etc. But if you want to view all of similar styles in one window, click on character design. There are quite a few styles. For starters, I am going with the Qt 3D option. You can select an auto prompt or just let it be as it goes. I shall be selecting structure match up to 90% and change the style intensity to something like 40% because otherwise the generated image would not match the given image. And also turn this face match button on and click on stylize. If you are on free plan, it would put you on a queue. Register first. You are given 200 credits. For every generation, it takes away 4 credits and gives 4 images in generation. So you can use this only 50 times. Yeah, there are quite a few generations already. Although they look good, but they are not exactly similar like this. I am going to lower the style intensity further. And this time the images are much closer to the original image. And in almost all of them, you can recognize the character. After placing them all on canvas, you can see how similar they are. Now time to try with my own photo. For this one, I use the hyperbolic portraiture style. First, I generated with its original settings intact and the images generated are not exactly looking anything like me. Then I changed it up a little bit. I increased the structure match to 90%, decreased the style intensity to 50%, turned on face match, and then the created images were all similar to me. I chose this one because it looks closest to the original image but also looks quite 3D like. There is a small problem though. These areas looks quite odd. So I selected generative fill, selected these areas, I wrote chart as prompt and generated the image. The result is this one. It looks quite perfect. There are some gray areas here and here, but I am gonna put it on Photoshop and crop the image anyway. So this looks quite a perfect generation to me. The only thing that I do not like about this tool that this is quite slow to generate images. But just a few days ago I learned about another tool that does the exact same thing but in real time. And that totally changes the game. And as that is also free, you should definitely try that out. For more details, just watch the video on my left.